Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a water boiler operating for 8 hours with a 5 kilowatt resistance heater inside it. Find the electrical energy in kilowatt hours and in kilojoules. Okay, so step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we've got a water boiler. So this is a water boiler that you have at home, and it's operating at 8 hours. Next, list all the given and the unknowns. So we've got time, we've got power, and we're trying to find total energy. So step 2, find the total energy formula. So we've got word form. Total energy is energy per time multiplied by time. So energy per time is power. So E is equal to P multiplied by T. Step 3, we find the total energy. We just plug in everything and we find the answer. So we've got 5 kilowatts multiplied by 8, which is 40 kilowatt hours, which is 40 kWh. We know that 1 kilowatt is 1 kilojoule per second. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. We know that 1 kilowatt hour is 1 kilojoule per second multiplied by 3,600 seconds, which gives us 3,600 kilojoules. So if we multiply that to get the conversion, we will get 40 kilowatt hours multiplied by 3,600 kilojoules per kilowatt hour. The kilowatt hours cancel out, so we are left with 144,000 kilojoules for our energy. So we've got both 40 kilowatt hours and 144,000 kilojoules. So those are both for the question, and it has been answered. I encourage you to save this video. Also, before we get onto that, disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Alright, so moving on to saving this video. So I'm sure you're familiar with snipping tool. If not, just follow the steps to save this video, just in case the video gets removed. Okay, you can find it in your taskbar, or you can search it in your Windows search bar. If you're on a Mac, I'm sure there's a snipping tool equivalent. Alright, click on your video option, click on new, left click, drag your rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Click the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button, wait for the video to finish, hit the red square to stop recording, save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question. They won't be able to find it. Until next time, see ya.